Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a spring makeup tutorial for you guys on this beautiful glowy glossy makeup look. I had so much fun creating this look, you guys, because I love the tones of this look. I love the corally orange nudes on the face. I feel like they're just perfect for spring. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I use today, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I want to do is moisturize my lips, and I'll be going in with the Laneige sleeping mask. Next up, I want to moisturize the face, and I want to go in with a Skin Proud product. This is the Sorbet Skin. It's their Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. This stuff is super lightweight and hydrating, you guys, and it's got like a really thin, watery consistency. I actually really like it, and I like how makeup goes on top of it. Next up, I'm going in with another Skin Proud product. This is their Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I absolutely love this stuff as part of my skincare routine, you guys, and I love using it for skin prep for makeup. I feel like makeup just goes on so nice on top of this. This product makes my under eyes feel so nice and cool, and I just feel like it depuffs them and makes them feel really good. Next up, we're gonna prime with my absolute favorite primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip, and I'm just gonna add this to my T-zone, but we're gonna blend it out onto the entire face. This is definitely one of the best primers in the market, you guys. I just love the consistency, and makeup just sticks to it so perfectly. The very last thing I want to do for skin prep is add a little bit more moisture to the face and a little bit more hydration, so I'm gonna go in with the Milk Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Next up, I want to color correct, and I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. This is in the shade Medium 2. I'm gonna apply this onto areas where I have acne scarring and also areas where I have hyperpigmentation. This is just gonna help kind of even out my skin tone and perfect my imperfections. For foundation today, I want to go in with the Merit Minimalist. So this is like a skin complexion stick. It could be a foundation, it could be a concealer, it could be whatever you want it to be. I love using this stuff for my base just because it's such a lightweight formula, but it has such good coverage, so I feel like it's really nice for spring and summer when you don't want a heavy cakey face. Hey dude, I'm filming.
Okay, I just wanted to check in to see how you were.
Aw, thanks. My best friend just called me. So funny story, I actually filmed this makeup tutorial yesterday, and unfortunately my mic decided to act up and the audio for that video was completely trash. So I ended up being a little bit upset just because I was super proud of the video. I loved how the look turned out, but the video just didn't make it, and I knew I would have to refilm it today. So she's just a sweetheart. She's just checking in, making sure I'm good and that I'm not super sad about the situation, but that's the reality of YouTube. You're gonna have flop filming sessions. You're gonna have videos that just never make the cut, and yes, it's hard work that just never makes it, but it's just part of the YouTube journey. All right, base is done. I absolutely love the finish of the Merit Minimalist, you guys. So beautiful, so comfortable. So next up, I want to contour the face, and I want to go in with some cream contour. So I'm grabbing my favorite bronzer. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour. Love how effortlessly this product blends into the skin, you guys. It's definitely one of the best cream bronzers out there. I'm just gonna go in and contour the nose, and it's okay if it's not perfect because we'll clean it up with concealer. So for now, I'm just trying to add the shadow. Next up, I want to go in with a fun, bright color for the cheeks since it is a spring makeup look, and I feel like a really cute corally orange like this is perfect. This is the shade Bahamas by e.l.f. This is their Putty Blush. I like to just take this product on the back of my beauty sponge and I'll just bounce that onto the face. I feel like this is the ultimate spring blush, you guys, especially if you're going for like a orangey warm tone spring look. This is definitely a must-have. I did recently do a video where I shared all of my favorite blushes from the drugstore. It's super affordable, you guys, so if you're interested in seeing that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I am packing on the color because I'm going to soften everything out with concealer and setting powder, so it might look a little bit crazy right now, but just bear with me. I like to add a little bit on my chin as well, just for some color. Cheeks are looking super bright and fun, but we're gonna clean it up, so don't worry. Next up, I want to go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just gonna brighten the face and also highlight the face. I'm gonna go in and put this under my eyes and on my nose and a little bit on my chin. I'm gonna blend this all out and then we'll set everything in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. Can you guys see the difference as to how the blush toned itself down with the concealer? That's why I like to pack on the blush, just because I know I'm gonna lose a lot of color when I am concealing. Makeup is all about trusting the process. Just setting everything with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm also just setting other parts of my face, just going around my mouth, and I'm also going to clean up the cheeks a little bit. And just taking my brush, I'm gonna wipe everything away because it's all done setting the face. And whatever excess powder I have on my brush, I'll just dust that onto my lids as well. And I'll just tap the cheeks and set the blush as well. Next up, I'm just doing my brows real quick. I'm going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just gonna brush through my brows with this. All right, brows are on and I'm loving them. So next up, I want to do my eyes real quick. I want to keep it super soft, glam, and easy. So I'm grabbing my Glowdient palette. This is a highlight palette because I kind of want to go in with just a shimmery highlight on the lids. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Taking this color on my finger, I'm just going to blend it on to the lids. I just want to get like an effortless glowy finish on the lids. All right, I'm absolutely living for how glowy that looks, and I like that it's like super effortless, it's not too intense, and yeah, I've just been loving doing this trick, just going in with highlight on your lids. I think I do want to just add a little bit of dimension, so we're gonna go in with some bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm just gonna dust this onto my crease. Also just adding a little bit of bronzer onto the outer portion just to add a little bit more dimension. I think the very last thing I want to do for eyes is add some brown mascara. I feel like brown mascara has been my current obsession, and I feel like it's gonna look really good with today's look. So I'm going in with the Essence Lash Without Limits brown mascara. Next up, I want to highlight, and I'm going in with a product that is unfortunately discontinued, but I really want to use it because it's just such a beautiful product. This is the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor highlight. It's such a beautiful highlight, you guys. You really don't need too much to get a beautiful pop on the cheeks. Look at that blinding highlight. Gonna put a little on the Cupid's bow and the nose, of course. I also want to add this product onto my inner corners just to add a little bit of a pop. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner in Chestnut. I kind of smudged the lip liner on my lips just because I want to create a nice ombre look with the lip gloss that I'll be going in with. And this is the e.l.f. Pout Clout in the shade Toasted. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love the tones of this makeup look. I feel like these peachy coral tones are perfect for spring. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this makeup look, and let me know if you guys want to see another spring makeup look, because I'm thinking of maybe a pink toned spring makeup look next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.